Hey guys, it's Gavin here, and today, the here's the tutorial that how to get the Charlie the Steak app with an Android phone. I'm gonna hold the phone, and also I'm gonna uninstall it, and also. Okay, so you might want to go on Chrome. Click it. Alright, there we go. Alright, click on search. Type in Charlie the Steak APK. Alright, so you can see Charlie the Steak Android Pro. Alright, so click on that browser. Alright, here's all the versions of Charlie the Steak. So let's do the 109 version. Let's do that one. I'm gonna click on that. Okay, so you might want to wait, cause it might be take long to load it. Also, let's hold on. And now it's done loaded, so you can tap on it. So it says the steak. Do you want to install this application? So it says cancel and install. So I'm gonna click installed. Now it's installed. And now it's done installing. So you might want to click home screen. Also, you could drag this thing right here and just click open the app. It says Charlie this thing.
Hey.
Alright, so now it's done installing. So there's the animations. So there's all the levels. Let's click on the red thing. Also, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if I just click on the knife. So I can show this. Yeah, so you can see all the levels without a level switcher. So you can actually hit him with a hammer. And he makes a noise. Also, you can also put hot sauce in his eye, or you can choose the blowtorch on him. So if you want to get this version of Charlie the Steak, just copy the Chrome I'm doing. Alright, I'm gonna censor it. Alright. So this is the app. Alright, so that was the Charlie the Steak app. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.